just training people around here at Full Force Fitness. There's Kelly, other Kelly and Jennifer on the ropes. Woo! Mid-ball slams are great for the entire body.
I just don't like it hurt.
How did your abs feel?
Sore.
And it hurt to what?
Sneeze.
1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up. So my back was hurting a little bit and Kelly taped it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but she did. Win personal training for 1 year. What you get is what you see. You're gonna train twice a week with a friend if you choose to. You're gonna track body composition. We're gonna get you a meal plan tailored to your goals. You can choose a friend to bring with you, like I said, if you want. It's an over $4,000 value, guys. Twice a week, 1 hour sessions. Enter down below or up top. There's a link. Click it, enter your email. You are submitted. We will be picking a winner on the 25th.